Mm. Oh, yeah, yeah. So gon' challenge, here we go. So gon' challenge, 40 pounds gone. Herbalife edition, going strong. Here we go, here we go. Herbalife edition, I'm on a mission to represent that fit life tradition. Starting new, starting fresh, looking good. I like to represent my Ninth neighborhood, but I'm here out in Texas, living the life, and making sure I look good for my wife. I know you feel it. I got the shades on rocking. Boy, 40 pounds down, ain't no stopping. I got my drink, I got my tea and my lift off. I know you can't stop me, cause I know you're about to see me swerve off. Never that, I stay on track. I got my Herbalife family, cause I know they got my back. So gon' challenge, baby, Herbalife edition. I know you feel it, fit dad. Hashtag later. Talk to you on the dance floor, dancing, get it going. Let me go. Bye.